Hi guys, welcome to Filament PHP series, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to add table widgets in dashboard. So let's get started. Before start, I want to show you the demo how it looks. So you can see that here is the demo page. In my previous video we already added the state widgets, chart widgets, and here at the end we have added a new table widgets where we are showing the latest 10 records of users that newly registered. Okay, so same way we are going to create in our demo project. So let me go back to the terminal and let's close the demo project and go to our real demo project. Okay, clear it, and first of all we need to run the command to create a widget. So php artisan mac filament widget. Okay, and user new, I'm going to give the class name new registered user widget. Okay, so hit enter and it is asking for which type of widget you want to create. So I will choose the table and then I will choose the default panel. Then I'm going to keep the default option no, and then they are fetch all the list of models that in our application. So you can see over here, and we want to display the new registered user, so I'm going to choose the user model. And then they are asking for, do you want auto column all the database? I will say no, and you can see that they have created a new file called user new registered widget. Okay, and let me go to VS Code editor, and now let me go to the app filament widgets, and you will find the user new registered widget. That's good. Okay, so now you can see over here there is a first function that called query, and here by default user query, that means we have now added the latest. We want latest user first, so I will use the latest, and then I'm going to display the only 10 records, because if every time I will load all the records or pagination anything, that will be taking time for getting the data. So I will just say take 10 records. Okay, and then there is a column function where we need to just define the column that what we does for the table. So I will say text column make, and then I will add first ID column, then I will add name column, then email, and then I will display the created at column. Okay, just save it. So this is the by default the column I am going to add, but you can add more like a role or like a country, whatever column you have. Okay, just save it. Let me go back over here and run the application. So clear composer run down. Okay, now let me go. Yeah, it's expired, and log in again. Yeah, and now you can see over here there is a new registered user displaying over here properly, and you can see that the pie chart is goes down. So that means that's like what I have shown in the demo. So it should be at the end, right? So how can we manage, and why it's by default it's in third position? Let me go back to VS Code editor. By default filament PHP tags based on the files order, you can see that pie chart is at the end, so that's why it goes at the end. But how can we change the sorting? Okay, so let me go here, and we need to define the one more variable over here, protected static and integer. So just sort, and this should be on the first position, for example, and save it. And if I hit refresh, it goes down. You can see over here why it goes down. Even I have given the first position, because these others, all the widgets, we had never defined the sorting, so that's the reason. But let me go and define for all. Okay, so I'm going to just make it 2 for this. Copy this state widget, I want to make it in first, and then let me go here, hit refresh. You can see over here it also goes down, because for the chart we haven't defined any order. So let me go back over here, and for the chart I'm going to define 2, and then for the pie chart I'm going to define 3. Okay, save it, and new register the table things I'm going to order 4. So now it should be good. Okay, you can see over here that's perfect, right? So now you can see that our order is perfect, but still you can see that here is the it taking the call span only like 6. It should be a full call span should be take, so I can read it properly the data, right, full width. So let me go here, and we need to take another variable that's called call span protected, and here we need to define integer or maybe string or maybe array. And call span by default they taken the 2, but we can make it like full. Okay, and just save it and hit refresh, and now you can see that I have a full width of the our table widget. Okay, and now it's more readable. Okay, still I can see the welcome and filament by default, so I can remove it as well. So let me go to the providers, filament and admin panel, and these two widgets I'm going to make it comment. Just save it. Yeah, now much more cleaner, right, with the counter, with the chart. And then you can see over here there is a table widget, so I can see the latest registered user of the our panel. So yeah, this is very simple and basic video how to add the table widget with the filament PHP. And if you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video, guys.